Hello, my name is Muhammad Shamil. I'm from the class of BSc Radiography and Imaging Technology, SNS College of Allied Health Sciences. Business Model Canvas for Swiggy. Swiggy is a leading Indian on-demand hyperlocal convenience platform. It is available in both app and website. Founded in 2014. Primarily offering food delivery from restaurants. It connects users with local vendors across 600 plus cities for fast doorstep delivery. Browse menus, order from over 2 lakh restaurants and track deliveries in real time. Delivers groceries and daily essentials in roughly 10 minutes. A hyperlocal courier service to send and receive packages across the city. Offers restaurant table booking and dining discounts. Location based on uses GPS to show nearby restaurant and stores. The real-time tracking provide live updates on order preparation and delivery partner location. Tech stack, it built with a mix React Native for the user interface and native Android and iOS components for background tasks to ensure high performance and offline capability. Key partners for Swiggy app: restaurants, delivery partners, technology providers, and government agencies. Customer segments for Swiggy app: users, end consumers, businesses, and drivers. Customer relationships for Swiggy app: personalized recommendations, loyalty programs, customer support, feedback mechanisms. Cost structures for Swiggy app: technology costs, delivery partner cost, marketing and sales cost, operational cost, restaurant partnerships, general and administrative costs. Key activities for Swiggy app: technology development, restaurant onboarding, delivery operations management, and drivers. Value propositions for Swiggy app: convenience, variety, speed, technology, safety and hygiene. Revenue streams for Swiggy app: commission from restaurants, delivery fees, subscription services, and advertising. Channels for Swiggy app: mobile app, website, social media marketing, and partnerships. Key resources for Swiggy app: technology platforms, delivery fleet, restaurant network, and data analysis.